Hello and welcome to this film produced by Team Conjet on the topic of maintenance. Maintenance is a vital part of the lifetime for your robot due to the harsh environment that the robot is working in. The steps you need to take to ensure proper maintenance are few but critical. In addition to the time you spend on daily maintenance, the weekly maintenance adds to the prolonged lifetime of your robot and in the end minimizing downtime on site. Use the display to view the maintenance points. You can find all the information you need regarding maintenance in the operator's manual. The manual is also available through the robot's display. When performing the weekly maintenance, start by completing the daily maintenance. Remove the protective covers on the cutting head. Check the tightness of the V-rollers and adjust the play if necessary. Check all bolts for tightness. Refit the covers. Check the rubber lips for damages. Should these be worn, replace them immediately. Should the tracks be loose like this, they need tensioning. The grease nipple for tensioning the track is found behind this hatch. Apply grease while checking the track tension. Don't forget to refit the hatch. Check the engine oil cooler cells. Should the cells be clogged, use compressed air to clean them out. Check the hydraulic oil cooler cells. Apply grease to all visible grease points. Consult the operator's manual for location of the non-visible grease points. You can find the manual in the display on the robot. Greasing the beam is a part of exercising the robot's functions.